Ti batch intenya dito fantasy sawat. Dagiti taraon nga na isagana. Batch 88 lunch manan
Two days in a row has never happened before.
hala nga to this kanya kabsat every day.
We did this, ginawa namin to dahil gusto namin i-share ang blessings namin sa inyo. Walang solicitation galing sa amin ito. Walang bumigay, kaya simple lang naman talaga gusto namin.
Yes.
Thank you.
Masaya,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yesterday, from kindergarten, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, first year, second year, third year, fourth year. Na kayo wala nagkakad pa nalipot kindergarten. Yung iba, pumasok sa high school na
Ako from grade 2. Grade 2.
elementary school. Nevertheless, nag-iisa tayo.
Hello.
For the past year,
Ay, sorry. Hello. Napanan, napagayin. Oo.
one as a friend, brothers as a family. Nagiging laki. No sex available dito eh. Going back memory lane.
Yes.
Oh, yung mga mag-secrets dyan na walang personal. I guess for me, the best years of my life is in high school. Diyan nyo na lagyan ng foundation kung sino talagang kaibigan nyo, sino mga naging crush nyo, yung mga nakakawin nyo, nakaingitan nyo. Para at the end of the day, magdatay amin dito.
Yeah.
Memory lane. Who remembered Prisa?
Prisa.
Remember the athletes?
Prisa A.
Prisa A.
Yeah. Wayne, yeah.
Nag-host tayo kay Prisa. We garnered all medals, all trophies. Basketball. Who remembers the triple tower? Philip K, Alejandro Lim, and Ernesto Diaz. Sino di makalipat? The switch shooting. Point guard, Frederick Milanes. Yung dito ko na forward to take out tayo, but point guard. Mark Tabancura. IDP Mark Tabancura. Number 1 defense, Wilfredo Itable. The wall. Tawagin ko nun, the wall ni John Ray Carubin. Volleyball, nangapak tayo. Do you remember, hindi nagkaroon tayo ng, if my memory serves me well, ang unang naging event was track and field, 100 meters run. Sino makalabit niya? George Felicitas. I-represent tayo. Di ba lang ang kakain?
Adam naman,
I remember Adam naman garnering first place. I was the second. We are a Filipino, born lang namin excited. Some of you nalilay, nagsisina kayo amin. It took many years bago kayo ulit nagsama-sama. If I'm not mistaken, it took 10 years bago kayo magsama-sama. Your first ever reunion, 2008, that uniform yung blue, sky blue. Back then and today, napipintas ka lahat ka. Sabi ko mga, maging ganito pa rin. I think the next, if I'm not mistaken, the next reunion will be in 2 years? 3 years. In 3 years time, we don't know na tayo pa ay makakatugaw yun, super natin katugaw yun. You'll never know. Cherish every moment. People say you only live
Life is short.
Siyang hanap mamati. You only die once. You live every day.
Yes, that's right.
So, for now, let's just enjoy. Dito ka tuwag na again, we did it. Binigay namin sa inyo. Ito lang ang ating makakaya. Maybe next time we'll plan better gathering. Maybe we call this really a reunion in United States. But in reality, again, we are one. Patas kayong lahat.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Thank you, Ronnie. Napi, napagas mo na din yung baga. Bago tayo naman mga favor. Kadamay sa kanya tayo bago kayo mapanangalan sa plato nyo. May kayo dito ay ibagay yung pangalan yung section nyo, hindi 4th year tayo. Yes?
Yes.
So, marikol kayo pinagdagan sa timay-sahan may isa.
Okay. Yes.
Siguro kanya nagiging boys and girls.
Boys!
Sinuti ko na kanya kayo. Boys, line up please.
Okay, kainan na.